In an ever-changing society, Canon is also evolving. Our existing and new businesses, connected by technological synergy, are being reorganized into 4 industry-oriented groups to create new value as our business expands. In response to customer demand for freedom to print materials in any location, Canon is providing IT solutions to meet the needs of today's users while strengthening security technology. Digitalization is accelerating in the field of commercial printing. Canon is ready to fulfill all types of digital commercial printing needs, including posters, pamphlets, books, and more. Canon is also moving into the label and packaging domains with the addition of British firm Edale to our group in 2022. Canon's customers have the highest standards for visual expression. We have worked to advance photographic and video culture to meet their expectations. Our network cameras monitor not just our streets, but also traffic and river conditions to ensure the safety of all. Through various applications, including marketing, network cameras are helping to build the society of tomorrow. Along with global issues, including aging and the spread of infectious diseases, medical needs also continue to grow. We're taking bold steps to equip CT and MRI equipment with advanced image noise reduction technology. This technology can minimize scan times and radiation dosages, ensuring top-quality images with less stress for patients. Having welcomed Canadian firm Redland to our group, we are developing next-generation CT to create even clearer images with far less radiation dosages. We're working with the National Cancer Center Japan to quickly bring next-generation CT to patients. With digital technology on the rise, demand for semiconductor devices and high-resolution displays is growing. The optical and image processing technology that Canon has cultivated is also being applied to industrial devices to meet the wide-ranging needs of our customers. We have developed nano-imprint semiconductor lithography, a simple process which enables reduced circuit line width while greatly reducing running costs and power consumption. In such ways, Canon is creating new value. As technologies from across the Canon Group are brought together, the synergies that result are giving rise to new innovations.